Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a small purchase that I did at Amazon.com. The product that I bought is a product that I have been looking for a few months. Since I didn't find it separately because they are not selling it anymore, I decided to look for it by collection, and thanks God I found it and I bought it. This is the product that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and it's the Easy Flow Time to Shine collection. The package came protected by this plastic. Now I will be showing you what it came in this collection. It came with these clear tips. It has 20 tips. These white tips, and it also has 20 tips. The liquid monomer, brush on resin, these nail forms, and this card. Now I will be showing you each acrylic that it came in this collection. The reason why I bought this collection was because of an acrylic that I have been seeing in several YouTube videos, and I really like it how it looks, which is this one, the Cocktail Time. I'm gonna take out the other acrylic colors from the box to show you how they look. These are the 12 colors that came with this collection. Now I will be applying these acrylics to the card so you guys can see how they look. This is all for this video. Thank you for being here with me. The name of the acrylics are gonna be down in the description box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And comment down below what do you think about this collection and what is your favorite color. I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye!